Let's now have a look at how a lender can find a loans to invest to. So now that we are on the app homepage, either I can scroll to the latest loans section, which gives me an overview of loan requests that have been recently created and that are waiting for funding. Alternately, I can go to the lending section, either through the top menu or through clicking on this Invest in Loans call to action, which brings me to a list of all the active loan requests that are looking currently for lending. I can scroll through this list and check what is being used or proposed as collateral. That's the collateral column. Desired borrowing, that's pretty self-explanatory, and the duration, that signifies for how long is the borrower going to take out the loan. If I'm interested in learning a little bit more about this loan, who's the borrower, etc., I can click the row, or I can click the details button, which brings me to the loan request overview, where on the left-hand side, I see what is being proposed as collateral. I have the option to view this asset on its native explorer, for example, in this case, an OpenSea. I can see the desired borrowing, the desired loan terms on the right-hand side. So in this case, the borrower is requesting 100 DAI, and they're looking to take out the loan for 30 days. I also see who is the borrower, and again, on an Explorer, in this case Etherscan, I can go and learn a bit more about this particular address.